Alright, so I'm gonna try this little trick here today. This is my old sterling silver chain that I've had for a number of years. You can see, I don't know if you can make out right there, but anyway, you can see the stamp on it. It's a 925, I believe. But anyway, you can see how tarnished it is and everything, how dirty it is. Now, supposedly this trick consists of a glass jar, some aluminum foil, some baking soda, and some hot water, which I already have here. So supposedly when you pour the baking soda inside the aluminum foil, which I'm gonna do right now, I think I put too much. It's supposed to react with the aluminum foil and the hot water. I'm gonna pour the hot water in now, and then you put the sterling silver in there. Go ahead and see what happens. Just let it sit there for a while. I'm gonna try to pour some more baking soda in there. See what happens. You can see it working. Something's happening in there. Oh, I'll be back in a few minutes. Alright, it's already 2 minutes into it. You can still see the bubbling coming up. There's definitely a reaction going on, and it smells really bad. It smells really bad, man. Like some kind of. Damn, I hope I don't blow this house up. But anyway, it smells bad. It smells like burning metal or something like that. It's real bad. Alright, so it's been exactly 5 minutes that I let it sit in here. Let's see what happens. Again, this is a glass jar with aluminum foil on the bottom, some baking soda poured on the bottom, put the sterling silver jewelry on top, then I pour some baking soda on top. Then I added some boiling, scalding hot water. Let's pull it out now and see what happens. See if this trick works. There you go. Yeah, 1,000 times better. I mean, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it, if the camera do it any justice, but it's 1,000 times better than what it was before. Let me rinse it off. All right, so I rinsed it off with water. You can see right here, and it's 1,000 times better. Hell yeah, it's legit. I think that that trick does work. Again, it's the you get a glass jar, you put some aluminum foil on the bottom, you pour some baking soda inside, then you throw some scalding hot water. I don't know what the chemical reaction is. I have to look into it, but apparently it creates a chemical reaction that latches onto sterling silver and it cleans it up. But you can see right here how clean it is. I'll try to do a comparison of the way it looked before and now. So, but yeah, I can say now that yeah, this it does work. You learn something new every day.